Hello my darlings, I hope everyone is doing wonderful. I am C and this is CeeJ DIY where we create beautiful home decor. And for the first DIY, I found this beautiful frame from Hobby Lobby. It was on clearance for 90% off. And after I scrape off the letters, I'm gonna give it 2 good coats of a white chalk paint. And today we're gonna create a beautiful fall decor, and I hope you're gonna like it, and I hope I will give you lots of inspiration. After my frame is dry, I'm using a lot of redesigned rub-on transfer stickers, and this one is one of them. I am really loving it. And today, out of all the pumpkins and all that beautiful fall decor that we are creating, as a part of a fall is all that vineyard and grapes, and that's when all the wines are created. I know this because my parents, my grandpa and my father, they used to make a lot of wines back home, and it was the most beautiful time of the year when in the barrels they were making wine. I'm not a wine drinker. I am against alcohol. I can't stand it. I only love to drink my juice, but I love all that beautiful decor. So with that being said, I'm using wines, grapes, anything that you like out of the pumpkins and all that, just to have a different ideas how you can create your home decor for our upcoming fall. And you gotta let me know, what do you think? When the center is done, now I'm adding these beautiful grape leaves, branches on the bottom, and also I'm gonna add one on top just to get an extra detail with that grape wipe on it. And I really love the color white with this green mixture, and I really love this redesigned the Prima transfer on stickers, rub-on transfers. I bought a bunch of them with a different theme, and I am really satisfied with them. They're so easy to apply on the surface, and we don't need to do a lot of scraping. They're just coming up just perfect, and it's gonna look a very high-end look, like we bought them from some high-end boutique store for our homes. Today, I'm so happy that I'm a part of Hello Fall Open Challenge, hosted by my amazing, darling, super talented friends, Tammie from Rustic Willow and Ellie from DIY from House to Home. And this month, guest host is Krista from Krista's Crafty Life. And if you haven't visited their channels by now, what are you waiting for? And also, we're gonna have an amazing playlist with so many talented creators. All the links will be in my description box, and after you watching my video, you know where you're going next. For the next creation, I got this beautiful crate from a thrift store. I only paid a couple of dollars for it, and I really love the design that it was on it, so I didn't want it to paint it. And now I'm using more redesigned rub-on transfers. I'm gonna use this beautiful Pinot Noir Prima transfer, and it's gonna be a beautiful container crate that we can put a wine on it or a different bottle with juices, fruits, vegetables, anything you like for your home decor. I didn't want it to use any paint because, as you can see, there is a beautiful design on the crate, so I'm just applying this transfer, and that's it for this super cute mini creation. To seal it, I'm just adding a little layer of Mod Podge, and look how beautiful it looks. You gotta let me know, what do you think? For the next creation, I'm using these 2 boards that I purchased from my local store, and I'm just removing the clips, and we're gonna make them over. While you're watching me removing those clips, I would like to say thank you for stopping by and always leaving me the best comments. And if you're new here coming from the playlist, welcome. all the beautiful comments that you are leaving to us, to all of our creators. It means a lot because we all know how hard we work just to create one video, because beside creating, we are editing and all that good stuff behind the scene just to make the videos coming out just like this. So after I remove the clips, I'm just dry brushing with a white paint all over those boards just to get that rustic worn look. I didn't want it to be that darker, so that's why I gave that coat of white paint, but I'm also removing it with a wipe and a towel just so I can get that rustic look. And I also sanding them out until I got the look that I like. See, I'm using towel just to get rid of that. And now I'm gonna use these beautiful wooden cutouts from Dollar Tree, from this leaf and acorn. Most of the times when you see me creating, I'm not sure at the moment what I'm doing, so I'm just experimenting. So I just add those leaf and the acorn out of blue. I didn't know what to do with them. And now I was thinking, should I add those letters from Dollar Tree or just add more ribbon transfers? And of course, since my theme today is all that grape and wine and winery, I'm gonna finish with that ribbon transfers, barrels and grapes and all that beautiful fall decor. So I'm just gluing those wooden cutouts on my boards, and now I'm just using the ribbon transfer stickers. For extra embellishments for our sign, I'm adding one leaf cutout from Dollar Tree on top of my acorn. And now for the leaf, I just made a twine bow. Just I roll it a couple of times and just made a simple bow. And I'm gonna tie it and glue it on top of my leaf where the hole is. And that's it for this DIY. I am really loving how beautiful and rustic and vintage they all came out. They're gonna look super cute for our home decor for this coming fall. We can put it on our kitchen, breakfast bar, or in our vignette, and everywhere it's gonna look just super cute. You're gonna love this. For the next DIY, I'm using this wooden plaques. One of those wooden plaques from Dollar Tree, and I'm gonna paint it with a white chalk paint first. When it's all nice and dry, I'm gonna add it on top of this beautiful sign. Look how beautiful it look. I got it on clearance from Hobby Lobby, and I'm just gonna cover that middle part with this plaque. I'm just gonna glue it, and I really love how this beautiful sign look with all that beaded frame around and all that design cutouts. It looks so high-end, and it only cost me like maybe $2-3. That's it. So I'm just gluing the white board on it, And now I'm gonna apply more rub-on transfer, but before that I want you to see how nice it's gonna look with these leather cutouts also from Dollar Tree. And I'm adding this beautiful transfer, Vineyard transfer. It looks so beautiful. The camera cannot show that beauty, how it looks with that, all that length, and how somebody is working on that vineyard with the house and all that trees. I am in love with this picture. So high-end and super easy and beautiful. For the next creation, I'm not doing anything with it. I just wanted to show you. I found this at the thrift store for only $2.99, I believe, and I just cleaned it well. And now I'm just gonna add one of those Dollar Tree beautiful candles, and we're gonna decorate it with some greeneries and some candle holders that I also thrifted for just a couple of dollars, and such a beautiful rusted look. And it's gonna be part of our vignette. Even if I said no pumpkin, it's gotta be just one little piece of pumpkin in my video today. Look at this beautiful candle holder. So I'm gonna put it on top of it, just an idea for you to see. And look at this beautiful candle holder. And I'm gonna add some greeneries, and that's it. I'm also using these metal holders with grape leaves on it. I don't know if you can see them. On the bottom, I'm gonna glue the letter Blessed from Dollar Tree. And I'm gonna decorate them with these olive branches that I finally found them at Dollar Tree. And it's gonna look super beautiful in our Grapevine vineyard decor for today. I'm also showing you this beautiful metallic tray that I thrifted. It's beautiful. It's gonna be part of our decorations today. I am just in love with this video. And now I'm gonna make a lanterns out of these cork pine barrels that I picked up from my local store. They were like $1.99 each, I believe. And I'm adding these beautiful wooden pieces from Dollar Tree, and I'm gonna add these wooden lanterns from Dollar Tree, and they're gonna look so high-end and such a beautiful fall decor with all these beautiful lanterns. Of course, nothing without the fall greeneries on top of them, just for extra embellishment and a beautiful high-end look. And here is the final reveal for all the beautiful decorations that I made today. I made a couple of choices for you to see how can be combined and look. And I really had so much fun creating all these beautiful pieces. I hope you enjoyed as much as I enjoyed creating them. And before I let you go, don't forget to check out the amazing playlist with my amazing darling friends Tammie, Ellie, Krista, and all the amazing creators. Ladies, thank you so much for having me in this amazing playlist today. And my darlings, until next time, I'm sending you lots of love, lots of music, positive energy. I will see you tomorrow with some more beautiful creations. Bye-bye.